Japan on a budget? Absolutely. You might think that Japan, with its reputation for high-tech cities and luxurious experiences, is out of reach for budget travelers. But that's far from the truth. With a bit of planning and some insider knowledge, you can explore this fascinating country without emptying your wallet. Whether you're a backpacker, a student, or just someone looking to make the most of your travel budget, Japan has plenty to offer. Let's dive into the best tips and tricks to explore Japan affordably. First up, affordable accommodations. Finding a place to stay that doesn't break the bank is crucial. Japan offers a variety of budget-friendly options that are both comfortable and unique. Capsule hotels, hostels, and Airbnb rentals are your best friends. Capsule hotels are a quintessential Japanese experience, offering compact, efficient sleeping pods that are perfect for solo travelers. Hostels, on the other hand, provide a more social atmosphere, often with communal areas where you can meet fellow travelers. Airbnb rentals can range from traditional Japanese homes to modern apartments, giving you a taste of local living. Cozy, unique, and easy on the wallet. These accommodations not only save you money, but also offer a chance to experience Japan in a more authentic way. Imagine waking up in a traditional tatami room or a sleek, modern capsule. It's all part of the adventure. Next, let's talk food. One of the best parts of traveling in Japan is the food, and you don't have to spend a fortune to enjoy it. Dive into Japan's street food scene with ramen, sushi, and convenience store meals. Street food stalls are everywhere, offering delicious and affordable options. From savory takoyaki, octopus balls, to sweet taiyaki, fish-shaped cakes filled with red bean paste. There's something for every palate. Convenience stores like 7-Eleven, Lawson, and Family Mart are also a budget traveler's best friend, offering a wide range of tasty and inexpensive meals. Delicious and budget-friendly. You can enjoy a full meal for just a few hundred yen, and the quality is surprisingly high. Don't miss out on the bento boxes, onigiri, rice balls, and freshly made sandwiches available at these stores. Now, free and low-cost activities. Japan is rich in culture and history, and many of its most beautiful attractions are free or very affordable. Visit temples, parks, and historical sites like Ueno Park and Asakusa. These places offer a glimpse into Japan's rich heritage and provide a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. Ueno Park, for example, is home to several museums, a zoo, and beautiful cherry blossoms in the spring. Asakusa, with its iconic Sensoji Temple, is a must-visit for its historical significance and vibrant atmosphere. Stunning and serene, without spending a yen. Many temples and shrines are free to enter, and parks are open to the public. Take a leisurely stroll, have a picnic, or simply soak in the tranquil surroundings. Transport tips. Getting around Japan efficiently and affordably is easier than you might think. Grab a Japan Rail Pass, use public transport, or rent a bike. The Japan Rail Pass is a fantastic deal for travelers planning to explore multiple cities. It offers unlimited travel on JR trains, including the famous Shinkansen bullet trains for a set period. Public transport in Japan is incredibly efficient and reliable, with extensive networks of trains, buses, and subways. For shorter distances, consider renting a bike. Many cities have bike rental services, and cycling is a great way to see the sights at your own pace. Efficient and economical ways to get around. Whether you're zipping through the countryside on a bullet train or pedaling through city streets, you'll find that getting from point A to point B in Japan is both convenient and cost-effective. Finally, money-saving hacks. There are plenty of ways to stretch your yen further while enjoying all that Japan has to offer. Use discount passes, explore 100 yen shops, and enjoy tax-free shopping. Discount passes for attractions and transportation can save you a lot of money. 100 yen shops like Daiso are treasure troves of affordable goods, from snacks to souvenirs. And don't forget about tax-free shopping for tourists. Many stores offer tax-free options if you show your passport. So take advantage of this to save on your purchases. Your wallet will thank you. By being smart about where you shop and what you buy, you can enjoy a fantastic trip without overspending. Subscribe for more travel tips and follow us on our journey through Japan's hidden gems. There's so much more to discover, from off-the-beaten-path destinations to local experiences that you won't find in guidebooks. Explore Japan without breaking the bank. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to an unforgettable adventure that won't leave you penniless. Follow these tips and enjoy a budget-friendly adventure. Japan is a country of contrasts, where ancient traditions meet modern innovation. And there's no reason you can't experience it all on a budget. Happy travels!